In trigonometry, in this chapter, main concepts. First, we should know the relation between degrees and radians. Pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. Pi radian is equal to 180 degrees. That you should know. So, 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi. That is the first concept you should know. Then you should know the four quadrants. The four quadrants and where the angles lie. The angle is given. You should know that angle lies in which quadrant. The third is the signs of the angles from 0 to 360 degrees in various quadrants. That is, four quadrants you know, right? A, S, T, C. Signs of the ratios. Then next one is the trigonometric ratios of allied angles. Trigonometric ratios of allied angles. 90 plus or minus theta, then 180 plus or minus theta, 270 plus or minus theta, 360 plus or minus theta. So first one is pi radian is equal to 180 degree, 1 radian is 180 by pi, 4 quadrants. That means you should know to find the quadrants of the given angle. You should know which quadrant this angle lies. So find the quadrants of the given angle. Then you should know the signs of the trigonometric ratios from 0 to 360. The next one is trigonometric ratios of allied angles. Now, next is formulas. The first one is sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. That's the first formula. The second formula is sin A minus B is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. That's the second formula. Third is cos A plus B. Cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Fourth one, cos A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Next one, fifth formula is tan A minus B. Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Next formula, tan A plus B. So tan A plus B will be tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Sin 2A is 2 sin A cos A. The eighth one, sin 2A is also equal to 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. This is the eighth one. Then ninth one, cos 2A is cos square A minus sin square A. 10th, cos 2A is also equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. Then 11th one, cos 2A, there are 4 formulas. Cos 2A is also equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A. 12th one, cos 2A is 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. So this is sin 2A. 2A there are sin 2A there are two formulas. Cos 2A there are four formulas. The next is 13th formula is tan 2A. Tan 2A is equal to 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. So this is one set of formulas. 7 to 13. Sin 2A there are two formulas. Cos 2A there are four formulas, and tan 2A is this 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. The next one, sin 3A. Sin 3A is 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. 15th one, cos 3A is 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. 16th one, tan 3A. 3 tan A minus tan cube A by 1 minus 3 tan square A. Tan 3A is 3 tan A minus tan cube A by 1 minus 3 tan square A. Next set, 17th one, cos square A is equal to 1 plus cos 2A by 2. The 18th formula, sin square A is 1 minus cos 2A by 2. 19th one, sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Sin A plus B into sin A minus B is sin square A minus sin square B. 20, cos A plus B into cos A minus B is cos square A minus the same thing, not cos square B, minus sin square B. Cos square A minus sin square B. That is the 20th formula. 21st one, sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. 22 sin C minus sin D is 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. 23 cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos D is 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Then 24 cos C minus cos D is minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. 25 in inverse, it is inverse function. Sin inverse is easy. Sin inverse sin x is x. Similarly, cos inverse cos x is equal to x. Third, tan inverse tan x is equal to x. Cosecant inverse cosecant x is x itself. Then secant inverse secant x is x. Cot inverse cot x is x. Okay. 26th formula, sin inverse 1 by x will be, this is sin inverse, the reciprocal of sin is cosecant. So cosecant inverse reciprocal of 1 by x is x. The second one is similarly cos inverse 1 by x will be secant inverse x, the reciprocal of cos. The next one is tan inverse 1 by x is cot inverse x. Fourth one, cosecant inverse 1 by x is sin inverse x. Cosecant reciprocal is sin. Then secant inverse 1 by x will be cos inverse x. Then cot inverse 1 by x will be tan inverse x. 27 is sin inverse minus x. Sin inverse minus x is equal to minus sin inverse x. Then cos inverse minus x will be pi minus, is not the same thing, pi minus cos inverse x. Then tan inverse minus x will be minus tan inverse x. Then cosecant inverse minus x will be minus cosecant inverse x. Then secant inverse minus x will be the same as this, pi minus secant inverse x. Sixth one, cot inverse minus x will be minus cot inverse x. So sin inverse minus x is minus sin inverse, the minus will come out. Cos inverse minus x will be pi minus cos inverse x. Tan inverse minus x will be minus tan inverse x. Cosecant inverse minus x will be minus cosecant inverse x. Secant inverse minus x will be pi minus secant inverse x. Cot inverse minus x will be minus cot inverse x. The next is 28. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Then tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Third, secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x is equal to pi by 2. 29. If the product x into y is less than 1, then tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus x into y. Second, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus x into y. Then 30th one, sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is sin inverse x into root of 1 minus y square plus y into root of 1 minus x square. Go through the formulas.